Hello and welcome you all in Lux Learning. Today, let's learn to read, recite and act class first English Marigold poem Once I Saw a Little Bird. Before that, let's recognize few words. Parrot, peacock, crow, cock and hen, duck, owl, pigeon, penguin, woodpecker, eagle, sparrow. Now, let's read the poem. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. Let's recite and act. Once I saw a little bird come hop, 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 come hop, hop, hop. Once I saw a little bird come hop, 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 come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? Will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? To say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail, but he shook his little tail, and away he flew, and away he flew, and away he